up, you guys? I'm Charbix. Today I'm going to be reacting to SMG4 Mario Goes to the Fridge to Get a Glass of Milk by SMG4. That's right, SMG4 is back, everybody. They were actually on, for the last couple weeks, I believe they've been on, like, a tour or something. I don't know what they've been doing on their tour, but they were away. But they are back, and I'm excited. And I don't, like, the title sounds really easy. Like, he just goes to the fridge to get a glass of milk. How hard could that possibly be? I guess we're gonna find out. But anyway, with that being said, the original link's in the description. Make sure you guys go subscribe to SMG4 without any further ado. Let's begin.
La la la! That was a lots of fun! Hey, I'm a thirsty. Oh no!
Well, there's a problem. No milk, nothing. He has nothing in there. How do you have nothing in a fridge? At that point, you don't even need a fridge.
Uh-oh. No more milky.
I now know what I have to do.
La la. Moving on the ground, moving on the ground. Alrighty.
Oh, I thought he was just gonna take Toad's food. Wait, what was that? What was that product? Hold up! Hold the phone. What was that? What the frick? What the frick is that? All right, we're just gonna go on.
Oh, howdy there, Mario. What's up?
Hello! Eto, tutto lavato, l'abito!
Yahoo! Oh, the milk section's right over there.
Oh, let me guess. He and someone else gonna go for the same thing and they're gonna have a fight over it, kind of. Kind of like in movies when that kind of stuff happens.
That's a Sonaki! Woohoo!
Oh, I knew it. Called it. World star. Oh no. Oh.
Guys, you dropped something. You might want to pick it. Okay, don't worry.
What? No! Security.
How you doing?
You think the security would still be afraid? I mean, they got some, like, heavy stuff on them.
Mamma mia! No!
Where are you gonna get milk? Corner stores normally have them, don't they? Don't corner stores normally have milk? I don't know, I haven't been to a corner store in a while.
Drunk all my milk, man. Give me my goddamn milk.
Was that bleach in? It was.
Drunk all my milk, man. Give me my goddamn milk.
Mamma mia.
Oh yeah! Go Ouija! Go Ouija!
Is no one gonna ask why Luigi is driving the truck?
I didn't know Waluigi worked for a milk company.
No, you don't.
Rope for sale.
I am lonely!
Oh, they stole rope. Okay.
Here we go! Gotcha! Go Ouija!
Are they both working together now to get the milk or something? Is that what's going on?
Hey, baby, you looking fine.
They broke all of it.
Why didn't they just go to a different store like normal people?
Hey, Stinky! Do you have any...
Milky? No.
Mamma mia.
Okay. Brother.
Salmonella guarantee. Guarantee. I saw this earlier when this vehicle drove by. I thought I saw salmonella mentioned on it. I'm like, what was that? I didn't really say anything, but I thought I saw something like that. And it does. It says salmonella guarantee. That does not sound like it's some healthy milk.
I got it.
Let's do this Mario style.
Mamma mia. Kochi.
Just walk into any store, avoid security cameras, and just start taking things.
Wow! Mario! Mamma mia.
What?
Look at the evil smile. Are they going to rob the milk factory?
Next level stupidity right here.
Okay. Tapi para to tarbato luto. All right. Yeah.
Oh!
Mamma mia.
What a clean factory.
Mario's
Winner.
just got a little bit harder.
What? What did he say? Am I right then? That's a weird fetish. Why don't they just try going to another store? I think corner stores have milk, don't they? Or freaking you can go to another grocery store. There are so many other places you can go to get milk, but no, you gotta go and freaking rob the milk factory.
Come here, fishy.
Drop your weapon! Drop your weapon now!
There goes Mario's phone.
Tutto lavato, l'abito.
I swear Mario seems to be more brain dead than Charm X sometimes.
Including.
Whoa!
Yippee! Wow! No!
Hey, boss.
You won!
I'm surprised Jeeves has any time to run a milk factory when he works in a restaurant as like a manager or something.
Stop right there! Oh, Luigi! I choose you!
KO. I like that.
Oh, God!
Stand back! I'm warning ya!
Toad's a little evil maniac, isn't he?
You'll never take me alive!
They're gonna ruin the entire factory, aren't they? They're gonna ruin the entire building.
Oh!
And that was the last time we ever saw Mario and Luigi and Toad. This is so sad.
Hi guys.
So they just kidnapped him, and where did they put him, to a farm?
Oh! Hmm?
You have till nightfall to make back all that milk. Oh, that they like lost? Okay. Or else. And why does he fly
Bye!
Wow! Oh no!
If Toad isn't careful, Steve is gonna make Toad lose a chunk of his head. Actually, that might just make his head look normal.
You don't mess with Minecraft Steve, or he gets Minecraft peeved off. That's a bad joke.
Oh yeah! Hi! Gucci Gucci! Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Oh yeah! Luigi! Hello! Sono lavato l'abito!
That's the same sound Charm X's head makes.
Hey, Stinky! Whoa!
Spaghetti.
Holy sh! I'm gonna...
That was very random. Don't they have machines to milk cows now? I'm pretty sure they have machines that you just connect it and they'll do it all for you.
milk you so hard?
Ah, crap!
Luigi! Nintendo! Oh yeah! Oh, let's go. No. Okay. What?
It's the real Mario! Praise G!
The fact that you can turn getting milk into a video as long as this is very impressive. You could also say that you might be milking it. I'm sorry, I will leave now.
Jesus! You should face up to the consequences of your poor decision!
The fact that he thought they could get that job done, I mean, it makes him look kind of dumb too. Let's be honest here. Because we all knew this wasn't going to happen. We all knew this wasn't going to go down the way he wanted it to go down.
Hey! Why are you running?
Why are you running?
Getting 7 across the air!
Luigi!
Oh, hell no.
What the freak just happened?
Say what?
This is a very weird plot. That's freaking hilarious. The cows are revolting everyone. They're rising up. The Great Cow War. This is awesome. That's a cow in a tank. You don't see that every day.
Yoo-hoo!
Listen here, motherfucker! Boy, what's it gonna be?
This doesn't look good for Toad, but then again no one likes Toad, so whatever.
Oh, shit.
Kids gone died in that
Oh, wow. Okay, bye-bye.
Wait a minute, so did they get any milk after all of this? I don't think they've gotten any milk. They didn't even achieve the objective.
changes.
I love that. Oh, they did get milk. Oh, I guess it worked out in the end.
Alrighty.
Let's go.
Or they all have PTSD or something? Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Man, that was freaking awesome. That was awesome. I've missed reacting to SMG4's videos. This was really good. The only thing why didn't they go to a different store? Like, I'm pretty sure corner stores have milk, don't they? Like, I never really look for milk when I go to a corner store. I haven't been to one in a little while, but I'm pretty sure they have milk. I think, I don't know. But you could have always gone to a different grocery store. Like, I'm pretty sure you probably have more than one around. Because they live in like a, you know, a big city or whatever. But, whatever. Anyway, if you guys like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up if you're new. And subscribe to join the family. Also, make sure you guys go subscribe to SMG4, links in the description. And I'll see you guys next time. Boop!